This is the stormy one with another brawl. Looks like it's going to be a Boneknapper, Brute Boneknapper, and Barf and Belch. So in this situation, I'm going to take out Barf and Belch first. The order here is going to be Barf and Belch, Boneknapper, and then Brute Boneknapper. That's the order that I see them as the most dangerous to me. As always, I do not use any energy other than my Stormcutter's heal. And I just take them out in order, one at a time. Now I am, I'm just watching my energy, make sure I'm not going to lose any. Looking at the future here, so I should be good. I can keep just a single attack and going on to my next opponent now, which is the Boneknapper. I am going to end up losing energy because he used that seal on me. But that doesn't change my tactics. Now I'm down to one dragon left. When I'm down to one dragon left, I'm going to go ahead and attack him with everything I got. So use the seal breaker and take him out use the armor break, the defense break, and then take him out in the very next hit. And that's all there is to it.